Sometimes I wish I had the peaceful bovine disposition that you have, Lolly. I sometimes desire to let go of decency and decorum, resign my composure, and simply observe the chaos of life happen, remaining immune from chaos from inside a quiet mind. Listen to that. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It is quiet now. It is quiet now, and he is sleeping. And I feel as if there is nothing in the world save for time passing slowly. Oh, so slowly. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. I think I hear her. Perhaps you want to try to escape her wrath. Oh, Lolly, she will see you there.